everyone, it's time for another unboxing video. I just recently went to DragonCon and had gotten more of those mystery boxes. One I got is like a My Hero Academia one, and originally I was going to get 2 of these, but the dealer who I was getting it from saying it had said like they have like the same stuff in it and has suggested of getting a kind of like another box. And I was like, yeah, sure. I feel like, yeah, getting the same thing, so he has suggested this box. And got about the same price. And luckily for this convention, or this dealer, he had it where buy 2 or more mystery boxes, you get a mystery t-shirt. So start off with the mystery t-shirt. Oh, the mystery t-shirt for today is, let's see. This guy from Negan from the Negan from the Walking Dead series. Just took a minute to try to think of what who this guy was. Yeah, so and that's kind of interesting. Now for My Hero Academia mystery box. Okay, let's see what's in this guy box. Oh mate, it looks like maybe a figure. Oh. Too bad. Let's see. Yeah, it is a All Might figure. With his head detached. That'd be kind of interesting. Let's see, and then air freshener. Okay, and then let's see what we have here. A mini mini glass. That's what the mini glass looks like. Yeah, it's like Deco's little notepad where it says All Might on one side, and then that's interesting. And let's see. What's this? Oh, All Might socks. Let's see. And a coffee mug. Neat. There's one more item. And that's a little My Hero pen. Little pen. Now for the little mystery box. Okay, let's see. Deco! We got a Deco figurine! And it's this one. Yay! And let's see. Another air freshener. And it looks like another mini glass. Yeah, same with the like notebook on one side and then All Might's little autograph on the other. And the little burnt notebook. And then another My Hero Academia pen and some socks. Cool. Oh, that's kind of interesting. Yeah, that'd be yeah. Cause he might want my sister final review for this, but yeah, that was it. Yeah, that's pretty much it. It's like, just awesome, better than I think what I got last time. I did the the Pokemon one. Pokemon was okay, but this stuff, I like it. I really do. And I, it was a funny thing. When I was at DragonCon, I actually saw figurines of these figures, but I didn't have money for it because me and being an adult and pay bills. So yeah. Looking forward for next year to do maybe more, and see what other boxes they might have next year. Yeah, because the booth I went to, they had like different ones. There was like, I think there was like the Nintendo one. Let's see, then, I don't know, I think there was like, I think they had like a Pokemon one, the the mystery boxes with like it's like question mark ones, and then the My Hero. Definitely looking forward next year for what boxes they have. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this unboxing, even though I don't get a whole lot of views on these. But I'm gonna have fun trying to put these figures together. Oh man. So until next time.